Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to have you save 20% when you buy 20%, get 20% off when you buy Filmora 9 lifetime license for both Windows and Mac OS with a discount coupon code. So here is the website that you want to go, jackydeals.com. So I will put the link in the description. Go to the post to the website and you get the link and also the discount. Okay, so I will show you one by one. Normally when I make video about discount coupons, I just make with music and annotation and some text, so you understand. So you click the link and click here and paste the coupons and finish your payment. But this video I want to explain to you a little bit about the how it works, so you can purchase it. So now I will go to the website. So I will use Google Chrome, so but you can use anything. Let's open Chrome. Okay, now go to Jacky Deals. Okay, Jacky Deals with the S at the end.com. Okay, and here, so supposing that you want to buy Filmora 9 for Windows. Okay, and let's say Filmora 9. So search for it right here, and we have some coupon here. So the first one, buy Filmora 9 at 55.99, so it's 56, so you can save $14 in 2020. So it's so let's open it in new tab, and this is for Mac OS, the same, $56. Let's open it. Okay, so now we are waiting for the website to load. Let's open Wondershare Filmora. This is the website. So wondershare.com. This is one of my affiliate partners. So not wondershare.net. I think it's another website, Wondershare, but I mainly work with wondershare.com. So here we go to Filmora 9 and we go to learn more. And we have the option buy now. So click on buy now. Okay, here we have individuals, business, and educational. But I never use business and educational because I think it's for individuals. It's just one person, YouTube creator. So we go with the individuals, and they have annual plans, which is $40 per year. But I never go for this option because I want to use it for lifetime. So I go with this one, most popular, lifetime plans. And I never add film stock because when we add subscription to film stock, we get 1 month free, but we have to cancel it when after 1 month. So it's just a little bit complicated. And also the discount coupon code on my site go directly to Wondershare, but it is not include film stock. Okay, so we can uncheck it and the price still the same, and we can check it. And we have all the feature and free updates, no watermark, free text support or something like that. So here is $69.99, almost $70. And you can convert it to your currency. It's okay. And we click buy now and annual bundle plan, but I never go for this because it's yearly subscription. Okay, go to buy now. Okay, so here is the order page of Filmora 9. So we have Wondershare Filmora 9 for Windows, and also film stock subscription plan. So it's 1 month free. And if you purchase the Filmora at almost $70, you get 1 month free. Okay, and you have here the subtotal and the total and coupon code, but don't paste the coupon here. Let's go back to my website. Okay, and they accept credit card, PayPal, and bank transfer, and okay, that's similar. So go back to this one. This is for lifetime license for Windows. Okay, And we have here the description. I write it, so I also highlight it. Filmora 9 lifetime license discount coupon code can help you save $14. So you save 14 at this time. If you can save more, then I will write in the description or right here. Okay, right here the normal price was $69.99. so I want to make everything clear, so the price is similar to the on the website Wondershare, and now it's $55.99 only. Okay, and how to get the discount? Copy this code. So you can do it here, select it and right click and copy, and then click here, buy now button, or click here. It's okay. And the other way, you can click this scissors icon to copy it. Click here to copy, so it's the code is copied to your clipboard, and you click this button, buy now button, the same. Okay, now I click that, click here. And you see that on this is to check out. To check out is a payment gate used by Wondershare. So this is one of the payment gate of Wondershare, and so it's secure. Don't worry about that. This is Wondershare payment gate. They use this payment gate for affiliate partner like me and other. Okay, and now we have Wondershare Filmora video editor, but this is for Windows. Okay, quantity 1 and unit price. Okay, you can select the currency here. If you don't want to pay in USD, you can pay in your currency right here. Select anything. Okay, and now you need to check this box. I have a discount coupon. Click here, and then right click and select paste. You can also press Ctrl V if you are on Windows. We paste it here. Okay, and this is a code, and we click this button to refresh it. I just click it, refresh. Okay, so this is a discount, Filmora 9 Win lifetime discount. It's just I write my coupon, so it just makes sense, right? Filmora 9 lifetime license for Windows, and this is a discount, $14, and totally you need to pay $55.99. Tax, VAT, no. And now you need to select your billing information, person or company, last name, first name, address, city, or you need to fill in your information. And the most important thing is your email address, because if you want to use Filmora 9, you should create a Wondershare account. A Wondershare account. So you put your email address and password, and you log into your Wondershare account. You will see the order. Okay, and it's very important to input correct email address right here. And now you can select a payment option, PayPal, American Express, or something like that, right here, and currency, and then you click here, continue, and they finish. So you place the order, and they will Wondershare will send you the email about your order confirmation or something like that. Okay, if you want to get support, contact the support. This is a support number of to check out of this payment gate, and you can also contact customer support here, and you read about to check out. This is a payment gate of Wondershare. To check out, before formerly it says Avant Gate, but now it's to check out. Okay, that is for Windows, and we do the same for Mac OS. Here is for Mac OS. Now we can copy this. This is the code, so the code is different. Okay, and copy, and click here. Okay, click here. So go to the same order page. Okay, and now we still have the discount for Filmora 9 for Windows, but we can delete that. Okay, refresh and check here, and press Ctrl V. Click here and then press Ctrl V to paste, and then refresh to see the discount. Okay, so the same, you save 14 US dollar, so 55.99. Also finish the information right here and continue to place the order. That's how you can get a discount coupon code. But some people do this and it doesn't work. Copy my code and they do not click on the buy now button or click here or something like that. So my discount coupon code is not activated, and they go directly to Wondershare and they paste the code here and okay, and refresh. That's not a valid coupon code. So come back to me and they contact me. Oh, why your code is not working, and you are a scam or something like that. Don't do that. Just follow the instruction. Okay. That's how you can get Filmora 9 20% off discount coupon code. But be sure to make sure that you just need the license from Filmora 9. Maybe Filmora 10 or something like that when you upgrade later. But no film stock subscription plan. Okay. And if you go to film stock, you can check filmstock.com. And this is the product, and I don't know where to find the price, but free. I didn't see the price, but it's very expensive, I think. Plan, okay, here plan. With standard for 1 month. 1 month is $8 US. So if you purchase from my my website, you can get 14 US dollars saving, and you can also buy 1 month, but they need you to pay in 3 months, so it's not a good option. But for those of you who need okay, here monthly, yes, monthly 10 US dollar, okay, and you can buy it 1 month $10 and you save $4. Too small. Okay, so I hope you guys understand what I'm trying to explain to you about Filmora. If you want to learn about Filmora 9 and Filmora Pro, go to my main channel, Jacky Nguyen. I will put the link at the description. Also, I published more than 100 different tutorial about Filmora 9, and I'm going to make a tutorial about Filmora Pro now because I have Filmora Pro on my computer. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and be sure to contact support email is my email address, and also on Twitter and Facebook if you want to talk to me directly. I usually reply to social media very fast. Don't worry about that. You can even call me and talk to me directly. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.